Hi, I'm Ashley. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today's video is all about what you can find at the Dollar Tree this December. They have some amazing items for budget-friendly crafts, DIYs, or homemade gifts. So let's go ahead and dive into what I found at my dollar store this December 2022. So I found some amazing DIY crafts, ornament supplies. They had so many different sizes, so let me show you them. They had a big DIY ornament, they had a little medium size, and then they had a smaller size. These are great little DIYs. I can't wait to show you some ways to make these look super high-end. They also had this gorgeous little light bulb ornament I thought was such a cute one. And they had this little, almost like a snow globe type. It gives me all the snow globe vibes, and I thought of some cute ideas for this one. So they have some amazing clear ornaments. This is not all they have. These are just the ones that caught my eye. So these are all plastic, by the way. And so I also found, I think in the craft section, a ceramic circle that I'm going to use as kind of an ornament, as well as I found these wood slices in the craft section that I'm going to use as a rustic ornament. So to fill your ornaments or to decorate them, they had so many different types of ornament filler. They had this cute colorful ones. They had some fake snow and in two different sizes. They had some big snow and little, and as well as they had some like confetti looking faux snow. So I'm excited to fill the ornaments and make some cute little snow globe type ones. They also had some amazing colors for glitter, so don't skimp out on some cute glitter. This is in the craft section. They had some amazing different types of ribbon. I was really impressed with the color. Of course, they had this jute twine, which we'll use on our rustic one, but they had some amazing colors and some festive and fun patterns. So let's move on to a little bit of decor, and then we'll go back to some blanks because they had such cute blanks. So I found this little clear reindeer. I've got a good idea for this one. They had some cute little nutcrackers you can add to a basket to really make it look Christmassy with not a lot of money. They also had some amazing ornaments. I mean, these are so high-end looking. Look at this, a little buffalo check. They had a Christmas tree buffalo check and then a star. These are gonna look so good on the front of a DIY gift basket. I even thinking of personalizing it. It would be perfect for a monogram or initial of a last name. And then they had some amazing ornaments. I've got a good basket to put this one on. Look how gorgeous these are. So speaking of basket fillers, they had some amazing little trees you can plop in to make a real little impact and they could decorate. They had some tan ones and pink ones. My daughter loved these, and then green ones. And then they had some little tiny trees, perfect for little mini snow globes. They had some gorgeous LED color changing lights that I thought would be fun and festive to add to something. A little faux tree. I've got a good idea for this one. Some little greenery and bouquets. These have cute berries and pine cones on them. All types of cute little accessories. There's a little door hanger and some garland. We're gonna make these gift baskets look so good on a budget. They even had some cute trays, bowls, serving stuff. These are great if you want to take something to a holiday party and you don't want to have to worry about forgetting your dish. You can just leave this with the hostess and then not have to worry about it. They had some cute stockings. You could personalize this, put some goodies in for a neighbor. It would really be good. These color change. They had all types of stockings. They had fun party accessories. Look at these fun little glasses. I had a little Christmas tree, a Santa Claus, and a reindeer. These are so fun to put out if you want to do a Christmas party and have a cute little photo shoot. They had these adorable cups. $1.25 for 4 cups. Such a cute steal. And then these fun paper straws in red and white. These are so festive. They had so many Christmas color baskets. They had a Santa one that is absolutely perfect, as well as red and green baskets galore. They had all different types of colors and sizes. They even had some little mini stockings. You could use these as ornaments, or I have a good idea for a newlywed couple. such a cute basket idea for these. Don't skimp out on their holiday candy section. Hot cocoa bar, anyone? Look at these. I'm gonna make some hot cocoa gift baskets for some neighbors, and I thought these little chocolate and peppermint spoons would be the perfect touch. They had the cutest little decor. I mean, I don't think I'm gonna even do anything to this. This is just so cute, a little snow globe bottle. So check out their decor. They had some amazing little craft jars in all kinds of festive colors. So check which one your Dollar Tree has. I got a few colors to put stuff in, as well as I got some different types of baskets. Look at this gold one. This one is so chic. I got a Merry Christmas tub. This one is perfect. And then a little white tub. They also have black in this color. And of course, some Scotch tape if we need it for wrapping. They had these adorable trays in the food section. They also had some fun Christmas colors. I'm gonna DIY this one to be cute. And then they had some basket bags. Don't forget their wonderful holiday bags, but I'm gonna use these for my gift basket. So if you haven't been to the Dollar Tree in a while, they have some amazing wood craft blanks. So whether you have a Cricut or silhouette, or you just like to paint, these are amazing little craft DIY, whether you're gonna do a little home decor or add things as gifts. So I got a little sled. They had a little chalkboard. They had all kinds of cute signs that I'm gonna DIY. This little home one, this was all in the craft section. Some circles, some rectangles. I mean, they had so much good stuff. And of course, some Christmas designs. These are just a few I picked up. This cute truck with Christmas tree, and then these gorgeous Christmas tree wood signs. I can't wait to do something fun with these. And then they have these little mini ones. I'm gonna make a cute little DIY garland. And then of course, they have some amazing drinkware. This is perfect for a hot cocoa bar or a DIY gift, as well as these cool like Irish coffee glasses. How fun would hot chocolate with a peppermint stick be in this? So there is probably so much more I'm leaving out, but those were just a few of my favorite Christmas Dollar Tree items that I found this December at my Dollar Tree. I hope you enjoyed today's Dollar Tree Christmas craft DIY decor haul. I was so blown away by my Dollar Tree, so make sure you check them out for budget-friendly gifts, crafts, holiday decor. Make sure you hit subscribe. You are not going to want to miss out on all the upcoming videos I have with Dollar Tree crafts, budget-friendly gift baskets, Christmas crafts, Christmas DIYs. It's all coming up on the channel. So make sure you hit subscribe. And until next time, bye for now.